Mr. Ness here from World Famous Foods. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. Today, teriyaki pork chops. Let's cook. So we got our pork chops. We're gonna marinate them in our homemade teriyaki sauce for about 30 minutes. The recipe to our sauce is gonna be in the description below. Okay, so now we're gonna fry our pork chops. And turn these over. Oh yeah. Okay, so now our pork chops are done. We're gonna pour this teriyaki sauce in here. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. We're gonna cover it, of course. All right, folks, here we are. After 5 minutes of letting them cook in the teriyaki sauce. Look at this. It smells wonderful. Let's just plate this. Okay, folks, here it is. Teriyaki pork chops with some basmati rice. Time to enjoy another World Famous Foods recipe.